100, 180, and another 100. These are the difference between the upper fixed point, lower fixed point of centigrade scale, Fahrenheit scale, or Kelvin scale. And between these three scales, as well as they are also as the equation or the formula to convert centigrade scale into Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale and vice versa. Clear? So your example is given to convert 37 degrees centigrade into Fahrenheit scale. How can we convert 37 degrees centigrade into Fahrenheit scale? Can you tell me? 37 degrees centigrade. Convert 37 degrees centigrade into Fahrenheit. So 37 degrees centigrade like Fahrenheit scale ma कसरी convert गर्छौ? What is the answer? Can you tell me?
Use the equation.
You have to use the equation. So what is the equation?
It is to
0 upon 100 is equals to
32 upon 180.
F minus 32 upon 180. We need to convert 37 degree centigrade. So instead of C, we have 37. Instead of C, what do we write? We write 37. 37 minus 0 upon 100. 37 minus 0 upon 100 is equal to F minus 32 upon 180. Let me do this. Okay. Whiteboard मा गर न त है.
Ma'am, if we know the formula or that equation to convert, then we can do easily this Celsius to convert the Celsius scale.
Yes, yes. And here I am not finding the pen. Can you tell me where is it?
No, ma'am.
There is no pen, yes?
Yes.
So where do I find the pen so that I can write?
Ma'am, you should not. You. आजले लिखनु पर्दैन आफै गर्छ ma'am.
Okay, then write with text. So converting 37 degree centigrade into Fahrenheit. Need to convert Fahrenheit. Yes. So what is the formula to convert it into Fahrenheit? C
minus 0 upon 100 is equals to
100 is equals to
32.
F minus 32 I was here.
C minus 0 upon 0. C plus 0 upon
100.
100. Are? C minus 0 upon 100 is equals to
F
minus 32 by 180.
F minus 30 what?
32 divided by 180. 32 by 180.
32 divided by
180.
180. 80. Yes. So this is the formula for conversion of centigrade scale. So instead of C here, what should we write?
We should write 37.
37.
37 minus 0 upon
100.
how much?
100.
100
Upon 100
is
is equals to
F minus
is equals to
F minus 32 by 180.
F minus 32.
32.
32 Divide
Upon
by
180.
180. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now can we find the equation here? 37 upon 100 is equals to
Yes,
f
ma'am.
minus 32
Yes,
upon
ma'am.
180. So what will be the answer? Do the numerical and tell me. Everyone, please do the numerical and tell me.
Ma'am, we will minus 37 minus 0 means 37, and 37 divided by 100
Divided by
is equals
100.
to foreign 9.
Okay. Did you get
0.37
up to
into
here? 37 by 100 is equals to f minus 32 by
180.
180.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So after
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
now do
After
the
this,
Ma'am,
numerical.
we have to bring f
after
minus 30 in right left.
we need to do, we need to put f at the
ma'am,
left
90.
side, and is equals to 37 divided by 100 into 180.
So
Ma'am, answer is
generally
98.6 Fahrenheit.
98.6
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit. You can do the calculation yourself.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? So this is the
Yes,
method
ma'am.
of conversion of centigrade scale into Fahrenheit
Fahrenheit
scale.
scale.
Now convert 37 degree Fahrenheit into centigrade. Can you do 37 degree Fahrenheit into centigrade? Can you convert?
Ma'am,
We
can
have
you
1 minute time. Please convert
Yes,
and tell
ma'am.
me. Convert
can you
37 degree. Yes, yes.
37 degree
37 degree centigrade into Fahrenheit. Convert 37 degree centigrade into Fahrenheit. Sorry. 37 degree Fahrenheit into centigrade. Did you get the answer?
Ma'am, we
Done? Hurry up. Time is about finished.
10277 for Celsius.
No, convert 37 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius. Degree Fahrenheit into Celsius. Okay, the formula is similar. That is C minus 0 upon 100 is equals to F minus 32 upon 100 and
ma'am 184 upon 100.
84 upon 100. Is that the correct answer? What do you think?
Ma'am, I'm not sure, but
You're not sure?
47 minus
ओके यो पेन भएको भए सजिलो हुन्थ्यो पेन कहाँ गयो only eraser there is only eraser
Divided by 150 into
I could not in my whiteboard oh it came now so C minus 0 look at my handwriting please don't laugh okay again it is gone
Yes, ma'am. There is only eraser.
Eraser. Not doing.
Ma'am, your screen, but here is not there.
my pen is lost my plane
Okay, ma'am.
okay C minus 0 upon
100.
100 is equals to F minus 32 upon 180. This is the formula to convert the centigrade scale or Fahrenheit scale into each other. Yes. Now we have to convert 37 degree Fahrenheit into centigrade. We have to convert what? 37 degree Fahrenheit into centigrade. So C minus 0 upon this is 100 is equals to instead of F, what do we need to write?
We need to write
37.
37 minus 32 upon 180. Clear up to here?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Now, C upon 100. C minus 0 means C only. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? C minus 0 means C only. C equals to 37 minus 2 means 5 upon 180. Correct, everyone?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
after,
Yes. You have done
Rina.
correct up to here?
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
after that, confused.
Up.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, where shall I write now? If I select the eraser, this all will be gone.
Ma'am,
So now,
right in the right side of.
I'll write here in the right side, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, C equals to 5 upon 180 into 100. This 100 will come this side. Yes. 5 upon 100 to here is equals
ma'am.
to 500 upon 100. And answer is 2.78 degree centigrade. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do another problem. Convert minus 40 degree
40.
centigrade, which is already given in your book. Convert minus 40 degree centigrade into, convert minus 40 degree Fahrenheit into centigrade scale. Can you do that?
Ma'am, yes, give one question
Yes.
in book.
Ma'am, you can give minus 40 degrees.
Okay, convert minus 40 degree centigrade into Fahrenheit. Formula is again same.
Minus
F minus 32. For your easiness, F minus 32 upon 180 is equals to C minus 0 upon 100. You can reverse this also. Clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Now F minus 32 upon 180 is equals to minus 40 degree centigrade minus 0 upon 100.
This question. 40.
Done? Now F minus 32 is equals to minus 40 upon 100 into 108.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after this, what do you
Ma'am, we need to put that
This.
first
okay? So F minus 32, F minus 32 is equals to 40, 180. That means 7200 divided by 100, which is equal to F is equal to how much? 72.
72.
Minus 72. Yes, here is minus. Minus 72. Now do from here, because this is running out.
from that we need to no.
Okay. Now F equals to minus 72 plus or minus?
Plus.
So 72 minus 32 how much?
40.
Minus 40.
40 minus 40 degree centigrade.
72.
Yes, that is
Okay, that
correct
is
answer,
the
ma'am.
correct answer. Minus degree centigrade is equals to minus
40
Fahrenheit. Minus
centigrade.
40 degree Fahrenheit is equals to minus 40 degree centigrade and vice versa. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you do other conversion as well?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, you can easily do this. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
you can do this. This particular chapter is also finished. We have already studied thermometer yesterday. Yes or no? So once again, let me ask you, yes?
Ma'am,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
need to do this, give region of this slash exercise also.
Yes, you have to do the give reason of each and everything except the object each and everything.
Ma'am,
Okay?
ma'am, can you please tell the give region of question number A?
Alcohol thermometer cannot measure the temperature of boiling water. Why? Because what is the boiling temperature of alcohol? Can you tell me? What is the boiling temperature of alcohol?
Ma'am, 75.
78 degrees.
70. Ma'am, 75.
Degree. 78 or 75?
78.
78. The boiling temperature of the alcohol is 78. You can go up and you can see here.
Cold thermometer
Yes, yeah.
cannot measure the temperature of
The boiling temperature of alcohol is 78 degree centigrade. So when the temperature of the hot water reaches, when the temperature of the hot water reaches 78 degree centigrade, the alcohol
Cannot
itself
measure.
starts to boil, and then it will be started to convert. It will be started to convert into vapor itself, because of which it cannot measure the temperature of the boiling water.
It is not used.
Because the alcohol itself starts to boil, and it cannot raise in the capillary tube of a thermometer smoothly because of the boiling of the alcohol at 78 degrees centigrade. It cannot it cannot rise in the capillary tube of the thermometer smoothly, due to which we cannot measure the temperature of the boiling water with the help of alcohol thermometer, as its boiling temperature is lesser than the boiling temperature of the water.
Water.
Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
It is not useful to measure because
Okay. So can you tell the difference between alcohol and mercury thermometer?
Yes,
Sorry. Laboratory and clinical thermometer. Can you tell the difference between laboratory and clinical thermometer? Since we have already started yesterday. Where do we use laboratory thermometer?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Consist of constriction in it, whereas laboratory thermometer or simple thermometer do not consist of constriction in it. Similarly, what is the lower fixed point and upper fixed point in both of these thermometer? Can you tell me what is the lower fixed point and upper fixed point of clinical thermometer?
Ma'am, difference between you told.
Yes, difference between.
In upper fixed point, this is 100. This is 100 degree centigrade.
Clinical
or
thermometer is 100 degrees centigrade. It is given in your book itself. See, go to clinical thermometer and simple thermometer. The temperature calibrated from 35 degree to 42 degree centigrade. See here, the simple clinical thermometer is calibrated from 35 degree to 42 degree centigrade, whereas laboratory thermometer is calibrated from 10 degree centigrade to 110 degree centigrade. Yeah, these are the difference between clinical and simple thermometer that we have studied yesterday. Beside this, another is as Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. In one difference, you can write the upper fixed point and lower fixed point of both of the scale. Here, the lower fixed point of Celsius scale is 0 degree centigrade, upper fixed point is 100 degree centigrade. Lower fixed point of Fahrenheit scale is 32